Hi guys, this is just a quick tutorial on how to clean your Toyota Denso injectors at home instead of taking it to a shop. There's a kit that is sold on eBay for $7 and it comes with two injector holders which looks like this. One holder has a bigger hole, the other one has a smaller hole. So this one I'm using, it is the one with the smaller hole. It's right here. You put this in there. And then there's also a wire that fits exactly like factory into this socket of the injector. See this? Now all you have to do is connect the positive lead to the positive terminal of the battery right here, and get yourself a good cleaner spray can. So this is Berryman chem tool. This is my favorite. I'm gonna remove this nozzle which comes on the can, and then set up the nozzle over here, and do not energize the injector for more than 10 seconds, okay? Otherwise it may burn the injector. I'm not sure what's the exact time, but I'm just calling it 10 seconds. And then there's a hole in here. Okay, and now energize it. It's still leaking, but it was supposed to have an O-ring which is missing, and maybe it's because of that missing O-ring it's leaking from here, but it serves the purpose. It's for $7, not bad. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and you guys have a nice day. Bye.